Are you a gardener? These inventions will change your whole approach. Stick around and you'll find out how. Looking for ways to save space in your backyard? Enter the Suncast Backyard Oasis. This unit not only offers an impressive 130-gallon capacity to meet your outdoor storage needs, but also enhances the style of your space with its sleek turtle dove gray finish. This modern finish, with its monochromatic tones, blends seamlessly with your outdoor surroundings to create a harmonious and contemporary aesthetic. In addition to its attractive design, the unit is designed to provide efficient organization and maximize internal storage space. The metal-reinforced adjustable shelf offers versatility and adaptability, allowing you to configure the space to meet your specific needs. Whether you need to store garden tools, pool supplies, or outdoor toys, this shelf provides a practical and organized solution. With its cord-cutting feature, the unit facilitates seamless device connections and maintains a clean and tidy appearance when cables are not in use. In addition, the lack of a lock on the unit is offset by a convenient front opening design that allows for easy and quick access to your belongings, while providing the option to secure the unit if needed for added peace of mind. If you like the Suncast Backyard Oasis, get ready because the next invention will blow your mind even more. Discover this affordable addition to your garden. Assembling the Hanzo pergola is as easy as assembling any other well-known DIY furniture, such as those found at IKEA. No special skills or technical knowledge are required. They include detailed and easy-to-follow assembly instructions with each pergola to ensure that the process is clear and hassle-free. When it comes to strength and durability, the Hanzo pergola has undergone rigorous testing and holds certifications that support its ability to withstand adverse weather conditions. This structure is designed to withstand hurricane-force winds of up to 72 miles per hour when properly installed and up to 120 miles per hour with slats open. In addition, the louvers, recognized as industry leaders, have been tested and certified to withstand continuous snow loads of up to 25 psf, or approximately 4 feet of fresh snow. In the event of heavy snowfall, simply opening the louvers provides a practical and safe solution. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of engineering, this next one will amaze you just as much or more. Can you imagine turning your backyard into a hockey rink in less than an hour? With easy ice rinks, you can do that and more. Need ideas for your backyard? The innovative Easy Ice 60-minute backyard rink hockey rink completely redefines the experience of creating your own home ice rink. More than just a rink, it's a revolutionary solution that makes the dream of a backyard hockey rink more accessible than ever. The most outstanding feature of the Easy Ice Rink is its ability to be assembled in less than an hour without the use of tools. This means you can turn any outdoor space, whether it's your garden, backyard, or even your patio, into an exciting hockey rink in no time at all. In addition, the Easy Ice Rink is designed and manufactured in the United States, using mostly American-made parts. The key to the Easy Ice Rink's ease of installation is its innovative, patent-pending support system and straps. This system eliminates back-breaking labor, trips to the hardware store, and the need to drive stakes into difficult terrain. And we're just getting started, because what's coming is a true revolution. Can you imagine enjoying the therapeutic benefits of a sauna in your own backyard? Clearlight makes it possible. Clearlight infrared sauna models provide not only a space to relax and clear the mind, but also a deep therapeutic experience thanks to their infrared technology. Although commonly referred to as saunas, these cabins actually function as infrared therapy rooms. The sauna environment, where you are unclothed and surrounded by heat, is ideal for delivering infrared to maximize health and wellness benefits. The black panels inside the sauna are Clearlight's true-wave far infrared heaters. These heaters are designed to emit a specific infrared spectrum that's been shown to promote muscle relaxation, relieve stress, improve blood circulation, and stimulate detoxification of the body. In addition to the far infrared heaters, sanctuary sauna models include true-wave full-spectrum heaters that provide near, mid, and far infrared heat. This combination of infrared wavelengths provides a more complete and versatile therapy that addresses a wide range of health and wellness needs. Unlike traditional saunas that rely on steam or hot stones to generate heat, Clearlight infrared saunas harness the penetrating and therapeutic power of infrared. This milestone is just the first step in a new paradigm of science. We're about to enter a world of innovation that'll redefine our understanding of the universe. Covana is just one example of how technology is transforming outdoor spaces. A futuristic invention for the outside of your home. Transform your moments of relaxation or exercise with a simple turn of the key, thanks to Covana's spa and swim spa covers. These covers are fully automatic, which means they lift effortlessly in a matter of seconds, providing an unparalleled and uncompromising experience. Once you're in your spa, you'll experience maximum comfort, safety, and privacy, all in an immersive and stimulating environment. Proudly made in Canada from durable materials, Covana Spa and Swim Spa covers are not only durable, but also energy efficient. This means you're not only enjoying an exceptional spa experience, you're also making a conscious choice for the environment. So go ahead, enjoy your spa to the fullest, and immerse yourself in luxury and comfort that only Covana can provide. I thought that was amazing. Wait till you see what's next. The intelligent mosquito protection system, Thermacell Live, will change your outdoor evenings forever. Live is a revolution in mosquito protection, the first intelligent system of its kind that combines efficacy and convenience to be the ultimate addition to your backyard. It's not just a protective device, it's a reliable companion that transforms your outdoor moments into more enjoyable and worry-free experiences. Imagine being able to enjoy a barbecue with friends, a game of catch with your kids after school, or simply reading the newspaper in your backyard without having to deal with the annoyance and bites of mosquitoes. That's what Live offers. In addition, Live has taken the reputation of Thermacell technology, known for its effectiveness against mosquitoes, to the next level. Live is ready to adapt perfectly to your outdoor needs. Best of all, its installation is quick and easy thanks to plug-and-play connection cables, so you can enjoy Live protection without spending hours setting it up. It's pretty amazing, right? Well, this next invention will amaze you just as much. The Bruno Elite Curved Outdoor Stair Lift is much more than a stair lift. It's a guarantee of comfort and safety, so you can enjoy your deck anytime in any weather. Looking for outdoor living ideas? Bruno's Elite Curved Outdoor Stair Lift not only features a sleek design and precise conformability to the shape of your staircase, but also provides an exceptionally comfortable and safe experience for enjoying the outdoors at any time and in any weather. Its handcrafted rail takes into account every curve and rise of your staircase to ensure a perfect fit and smooth operation. This means that you can relax outdoors, safe in the knowledge that your Elite Stair Lift is specifically designed to meet your needs and provide safe and comfortable transportation at all times. The armrest controls make this stair lift easy to use, allowing you to ascend and descend stairs with ease. In addition, the suite swivels up to 90 degrees at the top landing, providing a safe exit away from the stairs for an added level of safety and comfort. The custom rail not only maximizes open space on the stairs, but also artfully adapts to every angle, ensuring a smooth and seamless ride every time. If everything we've seen so far has impressed you, get ready for what's next. The Keter Patio Cooler and Beverage Cart will not only keep your drinks cold, it'll also add style and functionality to your patio in ways you never imagined. Ideas that transform your patio. The Keter Patio Cooler, a wheeled patio cooler, not only offers the convenience of keeping your drinks cold during your outdoor gatherings, but also adds a touch of style and functionality to your outdoor space. Equipped with a built-in bottle opener, this cooler not only keeps your drinks cold, but also makes it easy to open bottles so your guests can enjoy them effortlessly. With a generous capacity of 89.8 gallons, this beverage cooler on wheels offers versatile organization for your drinks, with a multi-position divider that allows you to customize the space to your specific needs. In addition, its compact design includes a hinged top lid for easy access to your drinks, while providing additional space for glasses or other accessories. Portability is a key feature of this ice chest, with swivel wheels offering 360-degree maneuverability, making it easy to transport and place on your patio or garden. Plus, the wheels can be locked to prevent accidents while serving your drinks. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. With the Reli Lightcam D1, you'll be able to explore and protect your outdoor space even during the darkest hours of the night. Experience the fascination of immersing yourself in nature even in the darkest nighttime hours thanks to the exceptional full-color night vision of the Reli D1 security camera. This camera captures vivid and detailed images of your outdoor adventures, giving you a captivating and lifelike visual experience. Plus, with 1080p high-definition resolution and a wide 155-degree viewing angle, you won't miss a thing, whether you're monitoring your property or exploring the wilderness. But the magic doesn't stop there. Installing this camera is quick and easy, with no complicated settings to worry about. You'll receive notifications directly on your smartphone about potential threats or exciting wildlife sightings, keeping you informed and connected to your surroundings. The Reli D1 camera is also built to withstand the elements, with waterproof construction and proven durability to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Celsius to 122 degrees Celsius. Plus, with a powerful 7800 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 5 months of continuous use without worrying about recharging.